Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Ryujinx is an open-source Nintendo Switch emulator for PC that replicates Switch behavior in software and requires compatible system files and keys. Before attempting to run Pokémon, Let's Go, Pikachu, confirm you legally own the cartridge or digital license, and that you will use game files and firmware dumped from your own Switch. This guide explains safe, legal preparation and non-infringing practices. It does not instruct how to obtain copyrighted game files from unauthorized sources or how to bypass protections. Prepare your PC by installing current GPU drivers from the vendor, verifying you have at least 8 GB of system RAM and enough free disk space for game content and shader caches, typically 2 GB or more per title. Acquire game files and system keys only by dumping them from a Switch you personally own. Preserve original media and licenses and follow console manufacturer guidance for backups. Download official Ryujinx releases from the emulator project page and enable automatic shader cache to reduce stutter while staying within lawful use. Start Ryujinx, point the emulator to your legally dumped firmware and game files, and configure controller mapping for USB or Bluetooth gamepads. Select a modern graphics backend like Vulkan for best performance, target 60 FPS where supported, and enable shader cache and multi-core CPU options to reduce stutter and load times. Adjust resolution scaling to balance visual quality and performance rather than overclocking components. Monitor CPU and GPU temperatures, test settings incrementally, and keep backups of save files to avoid data loss while optimizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.